Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
How to use Vaseline for faster hair growth. Vaseline for super fast hair growth. Does your hair damage easily, struggle to grow, or lack shine? How to proposes this foolproof trick to achieve healthy and beautiful hair using Vaseline on your hair. Cheap and readily available, Vaseline is a brand name for petroleum jelly. This was discovered as a byproduct from petroleum extraction, but has been used by humans for almost 150 years. It was originally used as a way to protect cuts and burns, but has also been used as a household lubricant. The key to using Vaseline on your hair is to be sparing, but we have the helpful tips to tell you everything you need to know about how to use Vaseline on your hair. With a little care, Vaseline can give you shiny, damage-free hair with little cost. The reason your hair splits and breaks is most likely because it is dry. Dry hair gives it an unhealthy appearance and makes hair prone to damage and split ends. Just like your skin, your hair needs moisture to stay healthy. Good hair care takes consideration. If you have naturally greasy or healthy-looking shiny hair, you probably don't need Vaseline for hair care. You might just be quite lucky. If you have dry or damaged hair, then Vaseline might be a good option. You may want to use Vaseline if you need to hydrate and nourish your hair, prevent split ends, and enable stronger hair growth. At How to we can show you the best beauty tips with Vaseline with this insightful article. However, whatever type of hair you have, you should take into account that there are also some downsides to using Vaseline for hair. If applying Vaseline on dry hair, you are preventing it from getting any moisture due to pore clogging. Therefore, it can make your hair even drier. Moreover, it can create an allergic reaction to some people when applied to the scalp. Like hair dye or most any product you use on your hair, you should test it first on a small patch of skin or scalp. This way, if it reacts with your skin, it will be limited to only a small area. If you want to use Vaseline because you are worried about dandruff, then it's always best to be careful. If you want a more general hair treatment for protection, you can apply Vaseline to your hair once a week. We recommend this treatment only if you need general strengthening of the hair. The best time to apply Vaseline to the hair in this case is before bed. This way you will allow the product time to penetrate adequately into the scalp and the hair in general. Simply rub a little on your fingertips and rub into the scalp as described before.